Hello my friend, it is I, Vadim. How are you doing? Today I'm going to unbox Noctua NH-U12S chromax.black. This is a premium cooler by Noctua. So let's open it up and see what's inside. A box with accessories. Let's check it out first. Okay, so they're actually giving you a full tube of Noctua NH-1 thermal paste. This seems like a lot. It's nice. Clips for the fan, a low noise adapter, and what appears to be a Noctua badge. It has adhesive strip at the back. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is quite a thick boy. Shiny. Oh. This is nice. These are rubber pads for the fan to reduce any vibration. And we have part of the bracket. Various guides and booklets and stuff. More installation fittings. The back plate. It's heavy. Feels nice. And just more screws. So here it is, matte black. Let's expose the plate. It is shiny, high quality. Noctua fan pre-installed. So those two clips we had in accessory are for in case you want to install a second fan, or if you mess these ones up, you have some spares, which is nice. It's a beautiful matte black color. It's a gorgeous high quality heatsink with 5 heat pipes. What I like about Noctua fans is that they always come with these nice sleeves. Installation should be pretty easy, as it only has 2 screws. So when you are actually mounting it on top of the CPU, you only have 2 screws to worry about, not 4 like in most CPU coolers. But yeah, this is a beautiful looking thing. I'm going to review and test it on my main channel. Link is in the description below. So if you're interested in that, go and follow that channel. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.